I don't know. I like the title track, and I like Clear Signal from Cairo. The song Clear Signal from Cairo is the most... It's the storytelling is... I wanted to have a storytelling song where the words didn't tell any story.
Okay.
And that would only work if you had songs before and after that were very wordy and obviously narrative.
Right.
But and I wanted to have a song that was made. It was a very simple Paul McCartney, Bee Gees, Harry Nilsson sort of tune at the center, and have it be very schematically expanded out.
Okay.
And to be obviously, and it's this one song on the record that is sort of emotional in my opinion.
Desert winds are strong, but they're not strong enough. Love my life. Desert winds are strong, but they're not strong enough. Baby doll.